Controlling our home appliances from Alexa and Google Assistant is fun, and these smart speakers are very popular nowadays and almost everyone has in their houses. Controlling home appliances from this smart speaker is pretty amazing and also very convenient. So in this video I am going to make a home automation system in which we will control our home appliances from these smart speakers. Alexa, turn on light 1. Alexa, turn on light 2. And apart from these smart speakers, we can also control our home appliances from smartphone application and also with the regular manual switches. And the best part of this home automation project is that you can easily make this home automation system even if you don't know anything about coding. This project is as simple as that. In this home automation project, I am going to use ESP Rainmaker app, which is free and available for iOS as well as for Android. In this video, we will control 2 relays as this PCB has only 2 relays. And apart from these 2 nodes, I also have 8 node and 4 node home automation PCBs. Code for all these PCBs are available in the description. These PCBs are fully tested and works very well. If you purchase this PCB, you will get a QR code along with this PCB. Just scan this QR code with the ESP Rainmaker app and easily integrate the Alexa smart speaker and Google Assistant to it and make your devices smart. During the video, I will show you these steps in detail. I will also explain code, circuitry and connection of bulb and switches. So I recommend to you watch the complete video till end. Now let's get into this video. This is the schematic of PCB. If you want your own custom designed PCB, then you can download this schematic from the link given in the video description. After making the schematic, convert it into PCB, arrange and place all the components in desirable places. Once the layout is ready, route the wiring and complete the design of PCB. After the completion of PCB design, you need to download 3 files which will require during the PCB order. These files are BOM, Gerber, CPL, that is pick and place file. Now open Jlcpcb website and click on Quote Now button under PCB assembly. Click here to upload the Gerber file of your PCB. Here Jlcpcb will automatically set all the parameters of PCB. Select the PCB quantity and color masking of PCB by yourself. I am selecting white color. Scroll down below and select for PCB assembly. Here you have to select on which side you want to PCB assembly, top side, bottom side or on the both side. In my case, I want only on top side. After that, click on confirm button. For PCB assembly, we need 2 more files. One is BOM, that is bill of material, and the second one is CPL, that is pick and place file. Upload these 2 files one by one. Here you need to give the description about your PCB for which purpose you want to make this PCB. I am giving here 2 node SMT. After that, click on next button. All the components were shown here that are to be assembled. In case if you want to not assemble any particular component, then you can deselect that components here. After checking all the components, click on next button. Here you will see a computer version of components placement which seems not accurate. This is the only for reference purpose. Now click on Save to Cart to complete your order. After 7 days, PCBs arrived at my place. As usual, the quality of PCB is very premium and the components are soldered very well. Traces are perfect, silk screen is fine and white color PCB masking looks very beautiful and the PCBs look pretty professional. Make all the connections of bulb and switches as per this circuit diagram. To upload the code into ESP32 chip, I will use ESP32 development board. Connect the PCB to ESP32 board as per this circuit diagram. This is the code for our today's home automation project. Before you upload the code, first you need to update the ESP32 board's library in your Arduino IDE. Now copy this link provided in the code. Now open Arduino preferences and paste the copied link here. Then click OK. Now go to Tools and then click on Board Manager. Here search for ESP32. Here you have to install this latest ESP32 boards in your Arduino IDE. Close this window after installation. Here I have defined the names of devices, light 1, light 2, like that. You can give any name you want. Here I have defined the pins for relay and switches. If you are using my PCB, then no need to change anything. Just upload the code as it is. One thing you could change here in the setup part of the code, the name of the node. This name will appear in the app as the name of the device. After that, no need to change anything. Now go to tools and select the right board. That is ESP32 dev module. Now click on partition scheme and select Rainmaker. Now select the right port. Here we are good to go. Now click upload button. Once the code is successfully uploaded, open serial monitor. Now press the reset button on the PCB for 5 seconds. As you can see, a QR code is printed on the serial monitor. I have to scan this QR code, but this QR code is not clearly visible. To view this QR code clearly, copy this link and open in your browser. Now with this QR code, we can easily enter the Wi-Fi credentials to the ESP32 chip using the ESP Rainmaker app. And this ESP Rainmaker app is available for Android as well as iOS. Now open this app and click on Add Device. Scan the QR code. It will take few seconds to connect with the ESP32 chip. Now select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password of your Wi-Fi. Here it will take few seconds to configure the Wi-Fi credentials in ESP32. Here as you can see, all the devices is successfully added. Now tap on done. Here both the devices that we have defined in the code is added in the app. Now we can easily control the relays from this app. Let me show you. Now I am going to connect Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant to this Rainmaker app. For this, go to settings, then tap on voice services. Here click on Amazon Alexa. Here I have to tap on link with Amazon Alexa on the bottom of the app. Click on link. It will take few seconds to connect. It shows already linked with Amazon Alexa. Now open Amazon Alexa app and go to all devices. Here you can see both the devices are connected to the Amazon Alexa. Now we can easily control the devices from this Amazon Alexa app as well. Let's connect Google Assistant to ESP Rainmaker app. For this, again go to settings and open voice services. This time click on Google Assistant. Here it shows the steps how to connect the Google Home to ESP Rainmaker app, which is very easy. I have already connected, so I am skipping it. Now open Google Home app. Here you can see both the devices that we have created is successfully connected to the Google Home. Again we can easily control the devices from this Google Home app as well. And apart from this manual tapping, we can also give voice command. Let me show you. Turn off all the lights.
Alright, turning 2 lights off.
Turn on both the lights.
Sure, turning on 2 lights.
Turn off both the lights.
Alright, turning off 2 lights.
Turn off all the lights.
Sure, turning off 2 lights.
Alexa, turn on light 1. Alexa, turn on light 2. As you can see, I am able to control the devices from the manual switch buttons, from giving voice command to Alexa and Google Assistant. And apart from this, we can also control it through the ESP Rainmaker app. This is the most simple and best home automation project I have ever made. You can install this PCB in your home or offices to make your devices smart. If you purchase this PCB, you will get a QR code along with this PCB. Just scan this QR code with the ESP Rainmaker app and easily integrate the Alexa smart speaker and Google Assistant to it and make your devices smart. Purchase link is available in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I will keep making this type of video. Till then, stay healthy and stay safe. Bye bye.